Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends. To your younger brothers and sisters who would want to take up engineering in the future, and to your relatives. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. So let's have a problem on reactions. Determine the bending moment at E and the vertical reaction at C for the beam shown. So first, let's show that the beam is statically stable and determinate. So R, the number of total reactions, 1 here plus 2, so 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9. And there are three parts or three free body diagrams, AB, BD, and DE. So 9 is equal to 3 times 3, that's the criterion, and the beam is statically stable. Therefore, this is 9 equals 9, R is 9, and 3 times 3 is 9. So the beam is statically stable and determinate. So we can analyze this problem without uh, putting additional boundary conditions or conditions. So first, let's consider AB. Let's call the reaction at A as RA. So summation moment about B equals 0. So call that RA. So RA times 4 equals 30 times 4 moment arm 2. So R sub A therefore is 60 kilonewtons upward. Then we consider A, B, C, D. So up to D. Call the reaction at C as R sub C. Summation moments about D equals 0 clockwise positive. So 60 times 12 plus R sub C times 4 equals the moment of this 30 kilonewton load, 12 meters long. So 12 meters by 30, moment arm half of 12, 6. So equals 12 times 30 times 6. Then we can now solve R sub C, and R sub C is equal to 360 kilonewtons upward. Then finally, we consider the entire system up to E. We put the reaction at E as EY. Then EX is obviously 0. And moment at E, let's assume positive, and the positive sense is counterclockwise as shown. Then RA is 60. R sub C is 360 kilonewtons as shown. So summation moments about E equals 0 clockwise positive. So we have 60 times 16, then plus 360 times 8, then equals clockwise, counterclockwise moment. So ME, then plus the moment of this 30 kilonewton load, kilonewton meter load, which is 16 meters long times 30, moment arm 8. So plus 16 times 30 times 8, then plus the moment of this triangular load, which is 1/2 of 4 times 24, and the moment arm about E is 1/3 of 4 or 4/3. So plus quantity 1/2 of 4 times 24 times 4/3. Simplifying, the left side is 3840 equals ME. Combine these last two terms, 3904 kilonewton meter. So ME is 3840 minus 3904, and that is equal to negative 64 kilonewton meter. So that means that the assumed direction here is incorrect. So moment at T is supposedly clockwise because it is negative. So our final answer for moment at E, it is 64 kilonewton meter clockwise. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you find this simple and you learn technique on how to analyze beams.